Hi guys, very excited you're here. Today we're gonna look at how to market with Periscope directly from your cell phone. Alright, so as we all know, Periscope has been acquired by Twitter, and so we all know if something like that happens, it means it's gonna be the next big thing. So let's see what Periscope is all about. So I'm just gonna go into it. Okay, so when you go into Periscope, this is what my Periscope is looking now. I just created this account, so here it is. So I'm gonna just show you a quick tutorial here. Look, right in the center is where you can access your camera, and then that is a list of what's going on around you. You can also tap the map button here to actually have it. Let me zoom in a little bit and you'd see. So you can see this plot. It shows you where people are actually broadcasting their Periscope live from. So you can click on any of the states and you can watch what's going on there. But what we are going to do today is just go right into the center, because I'm going to show you how to market with Periscope. So take a look at this. Just when I click it, let's say you're a business owner, you sell shoes and you want to show it to your clients or your customers about the new shoes. So I have my shoes here that I want to put on eBay for sale, right? So these are the Adidas Jeremy Scott. So for example, if I want to show it my people, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use this example to go live so you could just follow it. Okay, so first it's going to ask you what are you seeing now, right? So you're going to put your caption or your description. So this is what I'm going to say. Adidas Jeremy Scott limited edition for sale. $600 only. Then what? I just go live. So right now, as you can see, I've gone live, and even though I do not have a lot of followers, currently I have just 30 followers. If we should stay on for a little bit, you're gonna see that I am gonna have people coming on to show him, because what I did was, I should have shown you earlier, I made my video public. You could select a group you want to share it to and all of that, but I have made mine public. So currently you can see 0 views, but as I stay on, you're gonna see that people are gonna come on here. So for example, if I want to show this to my customers, this is what I'm gonna be like. So I'm gonna be like, hey guys, take a look at this Adidas Jeremy Scott, very beautiful. Look at that. This is the teddy bear edition. It's yellow, and it's limited. So if you want to purchase this, it's $600, and I'm gonna put it on eBay. So if you want this, just let me know and we can sell it. As you can see, one person came online. You saw one person came online, right? So if this person came online at the moment, as what I was saying, and was interested, they are gonna purchase it. But this is not my niche. I don't sell shoes. So once you keep posting videos to a particular for a particular niche, you're gonna get people who are gonna go in and search for what you're looking for. All right. So this Adidas Jeremy Scott is for sale. It's only $600. If you want it, let me know. You can get this for your boyfriend or your friends, for anyone you care about. This is the limited edition. Lil Wayne has one of this. And I think Young Tag and Ti, one of their videos, there was one of this too. So I'm selling it for $600 only. And so if you want to, just let me know. Or if you have any offer you want to make, just let me know. And I'll just send it to you as soon as possible. If you want this, let me know. It's all clean, it's neat. Check it out. You can follow me now, and yep. If you want it, just let me know. If you want it, just let me know, because I'm putting it out. If you want it, just let me know. All right. So this is currently a tutorial, and you can see how I have people on here looking at it. All right. So this is how you can sell. Okay. If you want it, just let me know. So as you can see, I had up to look at, we can view the statistics now. See, we were on Periscope for just 2 minutes because I had a relevant content. You can see I had up to 8 people view my content in just 2 minutes. Do you see how powerful this is? This is just an example of how powerful this is. All right, guys. So I'm gonna make more videos on this, so check my next video out on how to market Periscope. This was just a trial, just a test on just making a video. I'm just putting out all my work I put in, even if it's S. I want to put it out so you see the effort I put in doing my work. Like I told you guys, this is just a tutorial on how to sell. So you can check out my next videos, and that is gonna be more educative on how exactly you can go in. I'm gonna go into the details on how exactly you can do it. So thank you for coming, and I'm glad that we made it together. All right.